ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Yesterday, one shabda there was a एभ्यः तिलेभ्यः माशान् प्रतियच्छति. So whenever this pratiyachati, this kind of dhatu comes, then Panchami Vibhakti will come. I don't know whether we have seen this niyama or not. I think I mentioned Jayate, Udbhavati, Prabhavati, Udgachati. I don't know. I have mentioned Niliyate, Pratiyachati also. These two dhatus also, whenever it comes, then Panchami Vibhakti will come. So in this Vakya, it is not Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ebhyaha Tilebhyaha, it is Panchami Vibhakti. Ebhyaha Tilebhyaha Mashan Pratiyachati. Now, what will be the Vakya translation?
అతడు వారికి నువ్వులకు బదులుగా మెనువులు అందించారు.
ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఇచ్చాడు also is okay. Sometimes adyatana we can use latlakara also. In English,
he's exchanging sesame to urad dal.
So whenever this exchange comes, then it will be in Panchami only. So whatever we are exchanging, that will be in Panchami. Okay, we finished up to 7th. 8th one. Janakasya samipat agachami. What is the Vakya?
I am coming closer to Janaka.
Coming from Janaka. I am coming from Janaka. So here, though it is Samipa word is used, in English translation, Samipa, we don't translate Samipa as near, closer. I am coming from father. That is the English translation. If we want to say in Telugu, జనకుడి దగ్గర నుండి వస్తున్నాను. జనకుడి దగ్గర నుండి. సమీపాత్ మీన్స్ దగ్గర నుండి.
నేను జనకుడి దగ్గరికి వస్తున్నాను అనేది కాదు.
జనకుడి దగ్గర నుండి.
Okay.
Shirisha ji, when we say జనకుడి దగ్గర నుండి వస్తున్నాను, so is there any particular word for దగ్గర నుండి?
Translates to I'm coming from Janaka.
Okay, but there is no particular usage దగ్గర నుండి, right?
That will be again closer to, but in this context it is coming. I'm coming from Janaka.
Okay.
जनकस्य
बालिकैः yes, जनकस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति, but when we translate it will be prathama vibhakti, panchami vibhakti.
Okay.
You will see a lot of things in this chapter. In Sanskrit, Shashti Vibhakti is there. In Telugu, Dvitiya will come. In English, Panchami will come. This, they have given these examples na. Gramasya durat, Gramasya durena, Gramasya duram. These three are there. Gramasya durat is the Sanskrit vakya. In English, if we want to say far from the village, far from the village, this is the English vakya. Telugu, gramaniki duranga. So vibhaktis will change when we translate into other languages. How we should understand? Based on context only we can understand. There is no other way to understand it. So far, whatever I know, this much only. Next vakya. Balikaisha agachati. What is the sandhi there?
Vriddhirechi.
Vriddhirechi. What is the translation?
ఈ బాలిక వస్తుంది.
English translation?
Balika, this girl has come here.
Has come. That much only.
Okay.
So here if we use then atra.
Okay.
So there is no atra. This girl has come. Tadaikaha naraha agachat. Upendra ji?
हरि ओम्. तत् एकः नरः आगच्छत्.
Tadaikaha. How to split that?
तत् प्लस एकः वृद्धिसन्धि. तद् एकः.
Tada. It should be tada. If we say tat plus ekaha, tadekaha, it will become tadekaha. But it is tadaikaha. I is there. A plus I.
Then one man came.
So when we use yada, tada. Yada, whenever. Tada, then. This kind of meaning will come. So without using the yada, if there is tada, then this yada, tada, kada, all these words are indicating the time. So here, then one man came. So the vakya is not accurate. What we can say is, at that time one man came.
At that time.
Tada,
Yes.
tada we should take here as at that time. So tada is indicating the time. We can say at that time one man came.
Thanks, Amma.
Telugu? Anusha?
అప్పుడు ఆ వ్యక్తి వచ్చాడు. ఒక వ్యక్తి వచ్చాడు.
Yes. Pashyaitaa latam. Pashyaitam, Anuswara is missing. Pashyaitam latam. Shivananji, you will be able to say?
Pashyaitam latam. Pashyaitam means seen, flower.
First, Pashyaitam. Can you split the word?
Pashyaitam. Pashya plus etam. Pashya. Seen this flower.
Can you say the first word?
Pashya plus etam. Pashyaitam. Pashya means seeing.
Pashya is which lakara?
Pashyaita. Okay.
Etam you can keep aside. Pashya. Pashya is which lakara?
Pashya is lat lakara, seeing.
Oh, what is the dhatu?
Pashya only.
Drish dhatu.
Drish dhatu.
Pashya. Drish becomes pashya. Lat lakara is pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti, pashyasi,
Pashyanti.
Pashyami, pashyaraha, pashyamaha. Is there pashya in that lat lakara?
No, not there.
No. Then which lakara it should be?
Lot.
Lot lakara. Pratham purusha, madhyam purusha, uttam purusha?
Madhyama purusha.
Madhyama purusha.
Ekavachana.
Whenever we want to, for easy understanding, first we have to keep subject. At the end, Kriya Pada. Subject is first, at the end, Kriya Pada should be there. In between, whatever things are there, we can keep as per order. So here, what is the subject here?
Lata. Object is the lata.
Subject is lata?
No. Object is lata. Eta lata pashya. Etam lata pashya.
Lata or latam?
Latam. Dvitiya.
Etam latam pashya.
Hmm.
Okay. Subject is not given here. We should understand subject is tvam.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
But we can keep this much only. Etam latam pashya. Now what is the meaning? Etam latam pashya.
Eta means this. This lata pasya. This lata is this lata pasya. Lata is flower, no?
We can take flower, or we can take creeper, we can take tree also. We can take any. Lata, there is no flower. Lata flower is not there. Creeper or tree, two things only.
You see this creeper.
Yes. You should see this creeper. Pashya is lot, na?
Yes, Anna, you should see this creeper.
Yes. Nivarayaitasmat papat putram. This Pashyaitam Latam, what is the Telugu translation?
నీవు లతను చూడు.
Okay. Nivarayaitasmat papat putram. Shirisha ji?
Nivaraya plus etasmat, right?
Yes.
Is
Do
it
the
like
Anvaya? Do the Anvaya for this?
Nivaraya etasmat papat putram?
That is okay. Anvaya means put it in order. Like previous Vakya, we changed the order. Etam latam pashya. Like that, here also we can do the Anvaya.
Putram papat tasmat nivarayat.
Is it tasmat or etasmat?
Etasmat. Etasmat etasmat putram papa nivarayata.
Etasmat is the Visheshana for what? Is the Sarvanama for which Shabda?
Papat.
So both should go together. Now try.
Etasmat papat nivarayata.
Oh, I could not hear Putram word. Where did you say Putram?
In the beginning.
Okay. Putram is the object, so we can use before the Kriyapada. Etasmat papat putram nivaraya. Etasmat papat, from this sin. Okay, you can tell this English translation.
From this sin, my son from this sin, or take away my son from this sin.
Yes, we can say like that also. Nivaraya is eliminating. What is the Telugu translation?
ఈ పాపం నుండి నా కొడుకును ఆపండి, వాళ్ళు నివారించండి.
తొలగించండి. నివారణం మీన్స్ ఎలిమినేటింగ్, తొలగింపు. అప్ టు దిస్ ఆల్ క్లియర్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్?
Yes.
नेक्स्ट संस्कृत वाक्यास. यह बालक धर्म से प्रमाद करता है. I'll tell the Telugu వాక్య. ఈ బాలకుడు ధర్మంతో నిర్లక్ష్యం చేస్తున్నాడు. If you want in English, if you feel comfortable in English for easy translation to Sanskrit, I have written in English. Yeah, here. This child is negligent towards religion. Because where we have to use Panchami Vibhakti, I don't know, you all knew Hindi very well, so you may know where we have to use Panchami Vibhakti. But when I see Sanskrit, Hindi words, I'm not sure where I have to put the Panchami Vibhaktis. And so for my sake, I have written all these in English. Those who want, they can open and they can look it in English. हाँ, यहाँ बालक धर्म से प्रमाद करता है. What is the translation? हाँ, विजया जी.
अयं बालकः धर्मेण प्रसादं करोति.
Prasadam. What is prasadam?
प्रमादं.
Pramada. What is the dhatu? Latlakara. Pramadayati. Pramadyati. Sorry, pramadyati.
प्रमाद्यति.
So whenever this pramadyati comes, then Panchami Vibhakti will come. Ayam balakaha dharmat pramadyati.
एतत् बालकाः.
Etat also we can, not etat, saha balakaha we can use. Eshaha balaha, sorry, not saha, eshaha balakaha. But in this chapter, they have given idam shabda and others shabda. We can use idam and others shabda. This is idam shabda, prathama vibhakti ekavachanam, ayam. So these shabdas will become familiar with us if we use idam and others shabda, and they have given in bracket idam others ka prayog karo. So ayam balakaha dharmat pramadyati, it should be. Okay, next. Vaha shishya is paap se rukta hai. Upendra ji.
एवम् असौ शिष्यः एतत् प्रयोग कर सकता है हम.
Instead of using etat, use the idam shabda.
इदं शब्दं
Idam.
अस्मै पापात् अस्ति इदम् अस्मात्
Asma
पापात्
is which vibhakti?
अस्मात् पापात् असौ शिष्यः अस्मात् पापात्
It is there in the meanings above. Okay. Ruktahe means viramati.
तीतः विरमति अस्मै शिष्यः
असौ शिष्यः
असौ शिष्यः अस्मात् पापात् विरमति
yes. Okay. मेरा पुत्र पाप से घृणा करता है. शिवानंद जी.
Okay. मेरा अहम
ఓకే ఫర్ తెలుగు పీపుల్ నా పుత్రుడు పాపమును అసహ్యించుకుంటున్నాడు.
मम पुत्रः पापात् जुगुप्सयति
పాపం జరుగుతుంది.
ఎస్ మమ పుత్రః పాపాత్ జుగుప్సతే ఆత్మనేపది ధాతు. జుగుప్సా ఇస్ ఆత్మనేపది ధాతు. జుగుప్సతే. Is it clear, Shivanand ji?
yes.
Mama putraha papat jugupsate. Okay, next. यह गुरु उस शिष्य को इस पाप से हटाता है. Is it हटाता?
yes
हटाता. शिरीषा जी.
अयं गुरुः अमुं शिष्यम् अस्मात् पापात् निवृत्तयति.
Can you repeat the sentence again?
अयं गुरुः अमुं शिष्यम्
Yes.
शिष्यम् अस्मात् पापात् निवृत्ति और
निवारयति.
निवारयति.
దిస్ తెలుగు వాక్య ఈ గురువు ఆ శిష్యుణ్ణి ఈ పాపం నుండి తొలగిస్తున్నాడు. ఈ గురువు ఆ శిష్యుణ్ణి ఈ పాపం నుండి తొలగిస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ వాక్య. ఇస్ దిస్ వాక్య క్లియర్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్? Okay. जैसे, is it जैसे ना जौसे ना?
जौ से
ओके. जौसे इन पशुओं को हटाओ. Okay, जौसे because plural, right? No, jau means this गोधुमलु wheat. Okay. जौ से इन पशुओं को हटाओ. अनुषा और विजया जी.
यवेन एतान् पशून् निवारय.
हाँ.
Is it
Godhuma-
Yavebhyah?
ఇన్ తెలుగు గోధుమ క్షేత్రం నుండి గోధుమల నుండి ఈ పశువులను తొలగిస్తున్నాడు. గోధుమల నుండి ఈ పశువులను తొలగిస్తున్నాడు.
అంటే యవాత్ ఏతాన్ పశు నివారయతి.
శిరీషా జీ, వాట్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్?
Should it not be Yavebhyah?
Yes, it should be. Continue the vakya.
Yavebhyah. Let's see.
What you are
Pashun,
saying? Continue.
पशून् इन पशुओं को इमान पशून् निवारयति.
Yes. Iman, another form is enan. Iman or enan. Yavebhyaha iman or enan. Iman athava enan pashun nivarayati. Is this clear?
हटाओ in which vibhakti? Sorry, which
Lat
lakara?
lakara. Lat lakara.
Okay.
Lat lakara, right? Present tense, right? Shirisha ji? Hatao means?
Yes, Purnaji. Hatao is like Adesha also, right? Take them away kind of thing.
Adesha?
Tao is like take them out kind of a thing. Reload.
No, it is get these animals off the barley. Okay, load.
So is it Nivarayata?
We can use Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam. Nivaraya.
Nivaraya.
Assuming that it is, we are telling to other person. Second person. Nivaraya. But I said in Telugu, tolagistunnadu, present tense only I mentioned. So if you write in Telugu tolagistunnadu, then nivarayati. If you write something else, then based
Then
on
that will be जो से इन पशुओं को हटाता है. Hatao is still a command, I think.
Okay. So if you write in Telugu, lat lakara, then in Sanskrit also write in lat lakara. If you write in lot, then translate into lot only. Okay, next vakya. Ishwaruni valana ee lokam utpannam avutundi. Okay, sorry, sixth one in Hindi. प्रजापति से यहाँ लोक उत्पन्न होता है. उपेंद्र जी.
अम्मा प्रजापति से is the page page కనపడలేదమ్మా.
Page. You are not able to see the screen.
Yes, అమ్మా.
Sixth one.
అది ఏమైందో పేజ్ మిస్ అయింది.
Okay, page 26th. Not 26, 27. Page 27.
27. प्रजापति से लोक उत्पन्न होता है. प्रजापति से इदं लोकम पंचमी प्रजापति ही प्रजापति प्रजापति हरि शब्दवतम.
Yes, yes.
हरियोः हरेभ्यः प्रजा हरेः प्रजापतेः उत्पन्न के लिए धातु उत्पन्न होता है जनयति. उत्पन्न प्रभवती.
Anyone can use.
प्रभवती और जनयति. इदं लोकम प्रजापतेः जनयति प्रभवती.
लोका शब्द is akaranta pullinga.
इदं लोकः.
No, lokam is correct. What you said. द्वितीय एकवचनम लोकम. सर्वनाम शब्द.
यह means idam ayam lokah we have to say. Yes, ayam lokah प्रजापतेः प्रभवती जनयति.
प्रभवती जनयति वा. If we use both, then we should use va.
Va. Yeah.
Either. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
So lokam is lokam, right? Dvitiya, right?
Lokam here is
Prajapati hai. I am lokam.
I am lokaha.
సంసార
This loka.
సంసారः అని కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చాను. అయం సంసారः ప్రజాపతేః.
Samsara word will give different meanings. So whatever they have given, but in Shabda Kosha they have given samsara, I think. Samsara also we can use. I am lokaha. This world. This world has come from Prajapati. Or has come from Prajapati. So it should be Prathama, right? Shirisha ji?
Prajapati will be the subject, right? And then Lokaha will be the object. So is
This
it like
say
Prajapatehe, I am Lokam Prabhavati.
when we say I am Lokam, to this world, to will come. But here two is not coming. This world has come from Prajapati.
So it is I am Lokaha only.
I am Lokaha. It is not that Prajapati is in Panchami, then the other Shabda should be in Dvitiya. There is no such niyama. Based on the meaning, we can use either Prathama, Dvitiya or Tritiya, whichever one. So here I am Lokaha, Prathama Ekavachanam. Shivananji, is it clear?
Yes, Anna.
गंगा हिमालय से निकलती है. शिवानंद जी?
हिमालयात् गंगा उद्भवति.
Yes.
प्रभवति.
Prabhavati, Udbhavati, whichever one. Is this clear to everyone?
Ganga, Ganga. Yes, Radhamma, Ganga, Ganga must be.
Ganga?
Ganga Yaha and Radhamma, Ganga.
No, only Ganga. Prathama Ekavachanam. Gangayaha, when we say Shashti, right?
Panchami.
Okay, Strilinga Shabda Gangayaha Panchami. Here Himalaya is the Panchami. From Himalaya, Ganga has come. Himalayam నుండి గంగా ఉద్భవించింది. కాబట్టి హిమాలయాత్, హిమాలయ శబ్ద is పుల్లింగ. So హిమాలయాత్ గంగా ఉద్భవతి or ప్రభవతి. We can use va, athava, whatever. बीजों से अंकुर उत्पन्न होते हैं. विजया जी?
बीजः तिलात् जनयति.
1 minute, I'll tell in Telugu. విత్తనాల నుండి మొలకలు ఉత్పన్నం అవుతున్నాయి.
अंकुरात्. बीजः अंकुरात् जनयति.
విత్తనాల నుండి.
बीजेभ्यः अंकुराः जनयति.
I said Vijaya ji. What is the Vakya?
बीज शब्द means
Bija is
बीजेभ्यः
which shabda?
बीज रामशब्दं नो इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्द
Why
नपुंसकलिङ्ग
ikaranta pullinga?
बीजः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग ओके रामशब्द लाइक बीज बीजेभ्यः अंकुरात् अंकुरः जनयति अंकुरः
So if it is ekavachanam, then ankuraha. If it is bahuvachanam, then ankuraha
जनयतः
jayante.
बहुवचनं ओके
प्रभवन्ति अथवा जायन्ते. Shrishaji, is it ekavachanam or bahuvachanam? Ankur?
Ankur is sprouts, right? Sprouts, bahuvachan.
Bahuvachan. Okay. What should be there if it is ekavachanam?
जायते
I think ankur is for both. Ankur, बीजों से अंकुर. बीजों is plural, right?
Yes. So we should take it plural.
Yeah,
Since-
plural only.
Okay. Based on bija, we should take ankura.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, बीजेभ्यः अंकुराः प्रभवन्ति. Is this clear?
प्रभवन्ति जायन्ते both are same
Yes. Everyone should write before the class all these vakyas. If it is in Sanskrit, then translate into either Telugu or English. If it is in if we have to translate into Sanskrit, we have to translate before the class. So here we are going to just check our vakyas whether it is correct or not. Okay, we'll close here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Hari Om.